What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we're going for a little ride. It has been a minute since I've been able to go ride just for the sake of riding, just to go out and have fun. It's been a lot of commuting. So, I heard or read that they opened up the road to Idlewild. And I'll explain that in a minute if you don't know. But I figured I'd go check it out because if it's open, an amazing ride is ahead of us. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Well, we're topped off, and it's time to go for a little ride. It's been a minute since I've gone out and rode for pleasure. I ride it all the time, but always for work. Today is a beautiful day, and I happened to read that Idlewild, the road to Idlewild, is open. I'm really hoping it's true. It took a long time for this road to open up, so I'm looking forward to it. And I figured, why not go for a little ride, check out the road, see how it is, and talk about stuff and things. So let's go. Anyways, for those of you guys that don't know, this particular road goes up to Idlewild, which is a beautiful road. As you can see, very mountainous. And it had been closed for, I want to say, almost a year, maybe a year and a half. So about almost 2 years. When we moved into the house, there was actually really big fires here in California. One of them being up here in Idlewild, and it actually ruined the road. So it's a long story, but before that, we actually had some heavy rain, and then the fire. So there was nothing for the mountain to really stay put. So a lot of the roads got just completely destroyed. So they spent a ton of money and a lot of time repairing all this, and it has sucked because when we moved here, I got to like 2-3 months, I got to use this road and enjoy it, and then it was shut down, and it's been shut down ever since. So I'm super excited to be able to go up here and just enjoy it and not have to ride up here and wait in line, and actually go out for just a beautiful ride. So obviously, you guys know I haven't really been posting a lot of videos lately, and a lot of it is really due to I don't want to keep putting out the same type of content of just like vlogs and just like this kind of videos, all right? Because we're going to do something. But just, I told you, I ride a lot to work, and I feel like that can get boring just talking about like topics and stuff. So I like riding with people and going to events and going places. Oh, goats. And doing things, you know, and I feel like that makes more of an entertaining video. But I do have some videos that I have planned to make. One, I bought a new helmet. If you follow me on Instagram, go check it out, and you can see what I bought. But I plan to do a very thorough review video on it. I've been riding with it to work. A lot of pros, a lot of cons, and so I'm gonna make a video on that. I have a new camera that I'm gonna do an unboxing and kind of do some video footage of. I haven't opened it yet, so I got to do that. And it's like a more of a B-roll type of camera, so that's going to be coming. And what else? Well, shit, I don't know. I just I don't really have any other plans other than that. Except, yes, normally at this point right here, there's a line of freaking cars, and the police are blocking the road. So this is all gravy and looking nice and good. So let's go ahead and enjoy this, man. Let's see what this road has to offer. Dude, I'm telling you, it's been like 9 months, almost a year since this road has been like open. Oh, they put a little creek there thing. That wasn't there before. If you guys saw the Radiant exhaust video, this is kind of the road that I went. I have not been able to come out to any type of twisty roads in a long time. Most of the twisty roads that I go to or gone to were all in San Diego. And to ride from San Diego home through the back roads, well, that's full of water. Huh. Through the back roads, tree work ahead. Man, I keep getting distracted. Anyways, to ride through the back roads all the way from San Diego here, that's like a 3-hour ride, man. It's a long ride. Is that like a bridge? Like an old school bridge, huh? Maybe one day we'll go explore that. But so like this is my back road, my twisties over here, and man, have I been missing it. And keep in mind, this is only like maybe 10 minutes from my house, which is awesome. I've been so craving to come out here. Oh man, it feels so good to be out here riding. No traffic. And riding for like pleasure, man. I love riding, man, don't get me wrong, but riding, when you're just riding to work every day, it does get kind of tiresome. It makes riding to work way better than if you were in a car, but it's not this. This is what every biker just craves, is to be out on the road, no cars, curvy signs, beautiful fresh paved road. Yes, this is it right here. This is what we crave. Let's leave a little message to the salty crew. Goddamn, boys. It's too much work today. I'm out here working. Too much work. How about you guys? We out here, though. Going for a nice little ride. Oh, man. I needed this, man. Sometimes it's so good to just go out and ride, man. It's so refreshing. Just clears your mind. It clears it raises your spirits. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels good. Oh, there's a tractor down there. I don't want to look, but I do want to look. Big boy toys! Is that a movie theater? That is a movie theater. So, made a little stop here just to change the battery. And then I think we'll head back down. It's freaking beautiful up here. Yeah. Meanwhile, I broke my freaking... I was talking about how my earphones was only coming... My music was only coming out of one ear. Well, yeah, that's because my earphones are broken. So, ooh, whoops, I stalled. Let's not talk about that. No one's seen anything. Dude, look at that. Look how devastating that is. Look at that, man. Look how crazy that is. I mean, this all used to be kind of like that. Forest, all burnt down. Is that a fridge or some sort of TV? I don't know. I mean, it's kind of like the circle of life. Eventually this will all grow back and look like that again, right? But man, this is like almost 2 years ago now. You can kind of see some of the wood coming through all the burnt I mean, look up there. Yeah, that's incredible. Crazy. Well, I do apologize for not posting many videos. Like I said, I just been kind of in a funk, video-wise, creative-wise. You know, I just haven't been there mentally, creatively-wise. So, man, look at that. Anyway, so I'm out here just trying to refocus myself. You know, I'm out here to just get a little breath of fresh air and enjoy this. I'll tell you, man, this is beautiful, man. It's hard to explain, like, what it's like being out here. You know, it's just like wide open, so much area, especially when you come from the city. You know, we don't get a lot of this in the city. And that's one of the best parts about California is you can go from the beach to the mountains to have all this at your fingertips. Incredible. All right. I swear that might have been the last Instagram photo. I'm not sure though. All right, guys. Well, it looks like that is pretty much the end of the road. We're stuck behind two vehicles. Worked our way down the hill. Went up the hill. Beautiful, beautiful day. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys sticking around. If you guys are sticking around, like I said, I got some cool videos coming up, some review videos, new helmet video, and we'll see what else happens. Let's just kind of go with it. I do apologize for not being so consistent with the videos and not putting them out in, you know, as much as I normally try to. But like I said, I just don't want the same type of video to put up every time. They're super easy to edit. There's not really, like, I could do if I wanted to do a topic video. I mean, if you guys like topic videos, I will definitely do them if that's what you guys like. If you guys want to see more of those, I don't mind. They're just super easy. I just like something more entertaining for you guys. But if there is a topic that you guys want me to talk about, shoot, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely talk about it. I'll bring it up, you know. But in general, what I've been trying to do, like I said, is just make interesting content, make stuff that's a little bit different, and not always just moto. It doesn't always have to be moto vlogs. Today, I just wanted to come out and ride, and I was like, you know what, I might as well make a little video while I come out and enjoy the beautiful roads since it's supposed to be open, and just do that. So, with that said, though, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, or whatever time it is you guys are watching this. And until next time, peace.